Hello everyone, I am Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. I am today going to be doing I'm going to be opening a piece of friend mail. It's actually something I bought from one of my friend resellers. Going to be opening that, and then I'm going to be opening the items that I got from TheRealReal. So Stacy Works, who is my love of jewelry. Stacy and I met a long time ago. When I started on YouTube around that time, and we have been friends since then, and we buy stuff from each other, and I cannot believe how grateful I am to Stacy, because she took my code for TheRealReal, and at that time there was a promotion. There was a if you use someone else's code and you sign up at TheRealReal as a reseller, and I believe you sign up and then you have to sell something for $200 or higher. Once you do that, during this promotional period, each of us gets $200, right? And it took a while, and I wasn't keeping track of it, but she was. And one day she sent a note to me and said, "Hey, I think we've got our credits." And so this unboxing that I'm doing, she's doing one too, and we are going to be unboxing the items that we got. So we each got $200. Isn't that just crazy? I'm going to have the link to TheRealReal in the description of this video. And so you can take my code. I believe it's now $100, not $200. It's usually $100 you get, not $200. But she did it during the promotional period, so we each got $200. I did spend about $120 extra than the $200 because I just couldn't decide. They're probably counting on that, right? But I got some amazing items, and I'm going to wear them for... I'm going to collab on September 13th, and we're creating outfits. We have our different categories that we are in. Keep your eyes peeled for that one. This shirt that I'm wearing, I have no jewelry on today, by the way, but this shirt that I'm wearing is from Walmart, and I have high-end items and low-end items in my video. That's what I'm going to have. But I have no video. It's Monday after all, so I'm filming this on a Monday, by the way. All right. I ordered this bracelet from Jamie, Versus by Versace. It looked so cute, and it comes in this great box. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Oh, it comes with the paperwork. So Versus, I don't even know. I know it's a line. Oh my gosh. It's a product line by Versace. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh. Look at that. It's a bracelet, and it's got a little... Well, it's a watch, but the watch is just like it's just hanging. I'm not gonna take it off because I want to spend a little more time doing it carefully, but it says Versus on the watch. It's really, really nice. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I did not buy this to sell it. I bought it to keep it, and I really love it. I'm definitely gonna wear this. It's sparkly, it's fun, and it's just... I think that... Oh no, it's not mother of pearl, but it's so pretty. So thank you so much, Jamie. I absolutely love it. It's so sparkly, and it's just what I wanted, and it's just what I expected. So thank you so much. All right. And by the way, look at that. Ah, I love it. All right, so now I'm gonna do the unboxing of the items that I got from TheRealReal. I got $200 plus another 125 of my own money, so I spent about $325. I think for what I got a really good deal. Yeah. All right, there we go. All right, the first, sometimes when you order from TheRealReal, they must have a couple of warehouses, but I got 5 items, and it came in 2 different boxes, so, oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know what to unbox first, because I don't know about you, but I go to TheRealReal, and I will like items. I will, put them in my favorites, and then I kind of monitor them to see if they go on sale. And some of my favorite brands are the things that I got with my $200 credit. And if you think everything at TheRealReal is too expensive, it is not. Things go on sale there. It's absolutely crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love Jean-Paul Gaultier. I just love... This is a Jean-Paul Gaultier dress. It's Jean-Paul Gaultier Soleil, I believe. Yeah. Look at this dress. They said it's a tunic, but look at how bright that is. I love it. It's stretchy, and I'm gonna have to go put it on. I'm not putting it on right now, but isn't that great? It's long sleeves. It's one of those brands. Whenever I see it, I'm like, ooh, I bet I'll be interested. There's a lot of bright colors. It's kind of funky. Some of the items that brand has are funky. This next one I'm opening is by a brand called Anne Fontaine, and that is a French brand. And I have several items from this designer. I should be giving prices. You know what I'll do? I'll put prices on the screen that I paid. Just to give you some idea, if you haven't been out to The Real and you want to try it, you can get some good deals. Okay, this is Anne Fontaine OMG. Zips in the back. Look at that. It's a little bit long for me, I can see. But you know what? It almost seems like a dress, but I'm kind of short, so. That is just gorgeous. Look at this up close. It's so pretty. That is really, really nice. So an Anne Fontaine shirt. That definitely looks like it will fit me or be a little big even. So happy about that. All right. And then a lot of the items that they send you, they'll put it in one of their own, you know, the real bags. So the next item I got. Oh my gosh. All the stuff I got is for me. I didn't buy any of it to sell it. I bought it for me. Are you ready? Oh my heavens. I got this hat. It might be a little small. Well, I gotta get this tag out of here and we'll see if it can fit better then. But it's Hermes. And I don't know how you say this, but Chapeau Moche. There's the brand name. And I think it might be a little, maybe I had it on the wrong way. Let's try this again. You know, maybe not. No, that does fit me. It does go on my head. But I'm not, you know, clearly it doesn't look good with that in my face. But anyway, this hat is so gorgeous. Look at that, it's navy blue. And it would take a whole lot for me to sell this hat. I love this hat. It's so gorgeous. Oh, I love wool hats. I don't know why. I just love wool hats. Is that a gorgeous hat or what? Oh my heavens. I love it. So, oh my gosh. So just two more items. Just two more. And one of them is Anne Fontaine. And just have a look. Let's see here. See which is which. Yeah, this one I can tell from the code that's on the... Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, it's a black blouse and it's short sleeve. And it's got kind of like this folded, I don't know what you call that section here. Got a zip down the front and it's got kind of a U-neck. It looks a little bit like a bustier or something like that. It has a bustier feel kind of to it. But look at that. Oh my gosh. I love that. And it looks like it'll fit. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I really love all the stuff I got so far. Okay, one more item. Just one more. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this one is by a brand called Gani. Gani is a, I believe it's a French designer. And this is a puffer vest. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try this on right now. Probably, I hope it fits. It's a puffer vest. And it is so cute. And it's branded Gani, or however you say it. And it does just fit me. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Well here, I can't get it zipped right now, but it's really cute, isn't it? Here. I'll probably wear it with a dress or something like that. Oh my gosh. Oh my, it's so cute. It's padded. It's just a little bit of a puffer, not much. And it says the Gani logo right there. I don't know what I'm going to wear it with, but you can expect to find some of these items that I just got in the collab I'm in on September 13th that is being led by Misty at Skater Jones. Huge monster thank you to Stacy at My Love with Jewelry, because she's the one who it's due to her that I got all these nice beautiful things. So thank you so much, Stacy. And if you, by the way, want to use the code and you get and you get your $200 or 100, whatever it is at the time. I'd be glad to do a mini collab with you too if you want that. But Stacy, right now, thank you hugely to you. I so appreciate it. And thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.